This is a Husqvarna 51, and I had a problem with the tension. This guy right here. See, there's supposed to be a little plastic rubber piece right here that stops it from sliding out when the tension builds on it, and it's basically missing. And I had to order this piece, and I can't wait for it. I need to use a saw, so I took this machine nut, fits the thread of this. It's a 10x32 machine nut, grinded it down so that it fit on here, and it will still spin. It has to be the whole bowl has to be a spin, only this piece stays still. So this has to fit in this spot. And then I try to get the clutch off because I have an oil leak, and I wanted to tackle that problem, but that wasn't happening. So I just bent this, slide that in there, put that in its new home. Fits like it's supposed to, and now my chainsaw adjuster works for about, what's a nut cost? 10 cents, 8 cents. This will work for a lot of different Husqvarnas. The 55s, the 455 Ranchers, I think the 142, the 253. A lot of the Husqvarnas have the same type of chainsaw tensioner. If all you gotta do is look at it, if you have this type of tensioner. Now to test it, all you gotta do is do this, and if you can pull it out, it's not working. It's supposed to stop. Problem solved.